rock and roll.
From the deep roots of the blues to the electrifying energy of rock and roll, Black musicians have shaped the soundtrack of our lives. In the 1940s, rhythm and blues, gospel, jazz, and bluegrass blended into something new, something powerful. Black artists transformed music, setting the stage for what we now call rock and roll. Little Richard's wild energy, Chuck Berry's revolutionary guitar licks, they weren't just making music, they were making history. These pioneers didn't just entertain, they challenged the norm, breaking barriers in a segregated America. Their music built bridges between races, classes, and cultures. It became the anthem of change, pushing young people to reject the old ways and embrace something new. And the legacy continues. From stage to studio, the sound of Black excellence echoes through every beat, every note, every song that moves us.